My name's Marie.
My name's Jerry.
And we're from Palm Beach, Florida. We have an Entegra and Aspire 42 DEQ. It's a wonderful coach, and we travel from Maine to Nevada so far and back. I would rather drive my motor coach than my CRV. I'm up front, I've got a perfect view, the mirrors are positioned, I see exactly where I am on the highway. I can park it with no problem. For any women out there who are afraid to drive their motorhome, ask your salesman or a Spartan coach to take you for a ride and have you learn. I had a lesson from my salesman and a lesson from Entegra, and it was great. The Spartan chassis, the motorhome we have now, drives like a dream. I drive it, I park it, it's a piece of cake.